everyone. Today I'm here with my second video on formal letters. In this video I will be covering the letter of inquiry, letter of placement of order, letter of delay in delivery and cancellation of order, and letter of complaint, and then replacement of goods. So let's get started. Let us see the format of the letter. On the top, we will write the sender's address, that is the person who is writing the letter will write his or her own address. Then we leave one line blank. The purpose of leaving one line blank is to segregate each part with the other. So after leaving one line blank, we write the date of writing the letter. Then again we leave one line blank and then write the receiver's address. After the receiver's address, we leave one line and then write the subject, which carries the purpose of writing the letter. This subject is very important in a formal letter. After writing the subject, we leave one line and then comes the salutation. After leaving again one line, we start with the letter. So the beginning of the letter is introduction, which carries the purpose of writing the letter. The content has all the details of the purpose, and then we conclude the letter. After completing the body of the letter, we again leave one line blank and then give a complimentary closure, and then comes the signature and the name of the sender. Complimentary closure and the name and signature also are known as the subscription part. So let us see the letter of inquiry. As a health conscious person, you have noticed an advertisement in a newspaper on yoga classes. Write a letter to the organizer, Yoga for Public, R.K. Puram, New Delhi, requesting him/her to send you information about the duration of the course and other relevant details. You are Shweta Srikar of 15 R.K. Puram, New Delhi. So this is the question and I have solved it for you. Of course, you have your own ideas and you can include your points wherever you want. But let us see how I have done this for you. Now since your address was already given, so that I have written in the sender's address, that is house number 15 R.K. Puram, New Delhi, after which I leave one line blank and then the date of writing the letter. Then again I leave one line blank and the receiver's address is also mentioned in your question. So that is the organizer, Yoga for Public, R.K. Puram, New Delhi. After leaving one line comes the subject, which has the purpose of writing the letter, and here in this letter the purpose is inquiry about yoga classes. We leave a one line blank and then write sir. This is the salutation part, sir. Then comes our introduction. With reference to the advertisement published in the New India Times dated 7 September 2020 regarding the course in basic yoga, I wish to solicit some information. I am a health conscious person and I am willing to join this course, but I would like to know the details with respect to this course. Now since the newspaper's name was not mentioned, you can mention any newspaper's name. I have made up this newspaper's name. Let us see the body of the letter. So now you want to know the details of duration of the course, day and date of commencement, timings of the classes, appropriate number of participants in each session, and the fee structure. Then comes the conclusion part. I would be grateful if you could furnish me with all the details so that I may make up my mind about joining the course. Looking forward to an early response. We leave one line blank and then comes the subscription part. Yours faithfully, Shweta. You can even write your signature in between yours faithfully and Shweta. Let us see sample 2. The question is, your sister has just passed the All India Secondary School examination of CBSE. She is keen on joining some institute which may help her in her personality development. She consults her language teacher who advises her to join the Center for Creativity and Development. For this purpose, write a letter to the director of the center seeking all the necessary information about her admission to their 8-week summer course in leadership. Since your address is not given, so I have made up an address, house number 46, Akbar Road, New Delhi. Then after leaving one line, I have written the date, and again after leaving one line, I have written the receiver's address, that is the director, the Center for Creativity and Development, and the address that is followed by that, I have made it up, that is Teen Murti and New Delhi. You can also give any other address that you feel like. Then comes the subject after leaving one line, and subject is mentioned, already mentioned in your question. It is about information regarding 8-week summer course in leadership. So you are the brother and you want to know about this course for your sister. So let us see how the brother writes a letter to the sister. After leaving one line, I write, "Sir," this is the salutation part. "This is with reference to your advertisement published in the Hindustan Times dated 5 September regarding the 8-week summer course in leadership. My sister has just passed the All India Secondary School examination of CBSE. She is keen on joining some institute which may help her in her personality development. She consulted her language teacher who advised her to join your center for the purpose. Kindly enlighten me with the following information about the course. Number 1, the charges for the course and mode of payment. Number 2, whether there is a facility for paying in installments. Number 3, timing of the classes. Number 4, whether a certificate is issued." And then you write, concluding the letter, "A self-addressed and duly stamped envelope is enclosed for the reply. An early and prompt reply is awaited." After leaving one line, "Yours sincerely, Suresh Chaudhary." You can even sign in between. Now, since this is a formal letter, the language will be formal and you don't have to write any unnecessary details or any unnecessary thing that is not required. Let us see the letter of placement of order. When you want to place an order, how do you write a letter? The question is, you are Suhasini, a librarian of High Scope Public School, Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Write a letter to Oxford Publishers, Preet Vihar, Delhi, to place an order for English to Hindi dictionaries, children's encyclopedia, fiction books, etc. for your school library. Request them for a catalogue, discount offered, mode of payment, and time taken for delivery. So let us see how do you place an order. First comes the sender's address, that is High Scope Public School, Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Because you are a librarian of the school, so your address, you will address it from your school itself. Then after leaving one line comes the date. Again we leave one line and then we write the receiver's address, that is Oxford Publishers, Preet Vihar, Delhi, and this was already mentioned in your question. After leaving one line, we write the subject which carries the purpose of writing the letter, and that is placement for order for books. After leaving one line, our salutation comes, "Sir." Then we start the letter with the introduction. "I would like to place an order for books in bulk for our school library. We require the following books." Then we make a table so that the person we are sending the letter to finds everything very clear cut and he knows how much is the quantity required for each and every book. So let us see serial number 1, English to Hindi dictionaries, quantity is 10 that I require. Number 2, children's encyclopedia, that is 50. Number 3, fiction books, short stories in English, that is 100. Number 4 is GK books, 70, and number 5 is study material for class 10, all subjects, and that quantity is 50. You can add any other book of your choice and the table can be, of course, longer. Let us see the end of the letter. I request you to kindly send us a catalogue first. Also send us the following information, that is number 1, percentage of discount offered. Number 2, mode of payment, that is by cash or check or online payment. Number 3, time taken for delivery. And then you conclude the letter. I would be grateful if you can send us the above mentioned information as soon as possible. Yours sincerely, Suhasini, librarian. Let us see another example. The question is, write a letter to Lightways Sports Corporation, Amrapali, Thane, placing an order for a minimum of 4 sports items to be supplied to your school, that is ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. Sign yourself as Ravi, Ravina, Sports Secretary. So first we'll write the sender's address, that is ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. After leaving a line, we write the date, and after leaving the line, we write the address of the receiver, that is Messrs. Lightways Sports Corporation, Amrapali, Thane. And then after leaving one line, we write the purpose of writing the letter in the subject, that is placing order for sports goods. We start the letter with salutation, that is sir, we need the following sports goods for the students of our school. Number 1, cricket bats, 6 pieces. Number 2, table tennis rackets, 4 pieces. Number 3, cricket balls, 2 dozen. Number 4, hockey sticks, 8 pieces. Number 5, hockey balls, 6 pieces. Number 6, footballs, 4 pieces. Number 7, volleyballs, 4 pieces. Kindly supply us the above mentioned articles at the earliest, since we need them for the annual district level sports championship going to be held in the approaching months. All the items should be very good make and high quality. Payment shall be made by demand draft, that is DD, as soon as the goods are received. Also, please provide maximum discount that you usually give to schools and colleges. Yours faithfully, Ravina, Sports Secretary. You can even add a line by writing the conclusion. You can mention over here that awaiting your prompt reply. Something like that you can add, that is your wish, but your language should be very formal. Let us see letter of delay in delivery and then cancellation of the order. The question is, you are Riaz Muhammad of Sargam Electronics. Draft a suitable letter cancelling the order you had placed with your supplier because of his unusual delay in the delivery of goods. So we'll write this sender's address, that is Sargam Electronics, North South Plaza, Gujarat. We leave one line, then write the date. Again we leave the line and we write the receiver's address. The sales manager, Sony Electronics, Airport Road, Gujarat. If the address is not mentioned, you can make up an address on your own. And then we can write the reference number in the subject part. Alright, we can also mention it like this. You can also write subject and then you can mention this. So this is cancellation of order number 1/33/20 dated, and this date is already given, that is 15/8/20. We start with the salutation, that is sir. We hope that you have received our order number 1/33/20 dated 15/8/2020 for the supply of 30 Sony television to be supplied to us on or before 30/8/2020, that is 30th August 2020. We regret to inform you that you have neither executed the order within the agreed date nor informed us of your inability to execute the order. We have to suffer much for no delivery of Sony television within the time. We have therefore decided to cancel the order for your failure to execute the order in time, as time was of prime importance in this respect. We therefore request you to kindly treat our order as cancelled. Please note that we shall refuse the goods if delivered because of the cancellation of the order. Yours faithfully, Riaz Muhammad. So you can write more letters of this sort of the other items. Now let us see how to write letter of complaint and then replacement of goods. The question is, you are Naveen Sheila, staying at house number 7, Jawahar Nagar, Jaipur. You bought a telephone answering system with Facsimile. Facsimile is fax machine from the electronic world with a warranty of 2 years. Now you find that there is something wrong with the answering machine. It doesn't record the caller's message. Write a letter to the dealer complaining about the problem. Also request him to replace it. So we start with the sender's address, that is house number 7, Jawahar Nagar, Jaipur. We leave one line and then we write the date, and again we leave one line and then we write the receiver's address. Followed by the subject that has the purpose of writing the letter, that is complaint regarding telephone answering system. Then comes the salutation part. Sir, I purchased a telephone answering system with Facsimile from your shop, Messrs Electronic World, last year against a 2-year warranty. That means you had bought it last year, but since you had bought it last year, you had the facility of 2-year warranty, so you are within warranty, so you are complaining. However, the product is giving me a number of problems. The problems are, it doesn't record the caller's message, the fax is not received. Then you conclude the letter. I therefore request you to send someone to repair the machine or to replace it against the said warranty. A prompt action in this regard will be appreciated. Yours truly, Sheila. You can even sign between yours truly and Sheila. So I have done all samples of letter of inquiry of placement of order, letter of delay in delivery which leads to cancellation, and letter of complaint and requesting for replacement. I hope you have all understood. If you go through any problem, please write it in the comment section, or you may always contact me. If you have still not subscribed my channel, please press the subscribe button and even the bell icon for the latest notifications. Goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.